In our last class, we started Oceania. So we will continue this chapter today. Okay, so let's start. Now we discuss about the physical features of Oceania. According to the physiographic features, the relief structures of Australia divided into the four main divisions. Number one, the western divisions, western plateau. The western plateau is the great landmass which is lying western part of the West Australia, and it is the total half of Australia. Okay, and here you can say it is and the ancient denuded plateau with an average height 120 meter and 450 meters. Okay, and most of these western plateau regions is covered with the sand and the sand dunes. Okay, Great Sandy Desert and Victoria Desert is also located here. Okay, and here we can see some ranges like the Macdonald ranges and Musgrave range are most prominent here. Okay, a small salt lake means playas, is also found there, and the iris rock of the Western Australia form as a red sandstone in one of the features that attract tourists. Okay, the rock changes color throughout the day from reddish brown to yellow and sometimes to violet. Okay, our next point is the Eastern Highland. Eastern Highland lie almost parallel to the east coast of Australia. The highland extend from the Cape York Peninsula in the north to the Bass Strait in the south, that means Tasmania. They are known as the Great Dividing Range, and this is Great Dividing Range have different name in the different province, like Australian Alps in Victoria, Liverpool Range and the New England Mountain in the south, New South Wales, and Darling Downs in the Queensland. Okay, and Mount Kosciuszko, the highest peak of Australia, is on these Alps in New South Wales. Okay, now our next you have to okay, our next point is the central lowland. It is lying in between the western plateau and the eastern highland, and it extends from the Gulf of Carpentaria in the north to the Encountered Bay in the south. And the Great Range divided the whole region into the three main parts. Number one, the Murray-Darling basins. Murray-Darling basins means there is the Murray and its tributaries such as the Darling, the Murrumbidgee, the Bridgie, the Lachlan, and the Goulburn. Drains near the whole of the southeastern Australia. Second part is the Lake Erie basins. Lake Erie basins, it is a vast square-shaped area of inland drainage, and there are the many salt lakes such as the Lake Erie, Lake Grindner, and the Lake Torrens, and Lake Erie lies below sea level. And next, number 3 part, that is the Carpentaria lowland, and it has the gentle slope towards the Gulf of Carpentaria. It is drained by the Flinders and Mitchells River, and the rock layer in the Carpentaria lowland are basin shaped. Wells are dug in the rock layer and water come out automatically without help of pumps. Okay, these wells are called artesian well. Okay, our last point is the western, the coastal lowland. This is the last physiographic divisions of Oceania. It is surrounded the coastal part of Australia, and it is narrow, and it is wide near the coast of Carpentaria in the north and on the southern part of the Australia. Okay, now we discuss about some outstanding natural features of Australia. Here the two outstanding natural features, number one is Artesian basins and number two is Great Barrier Reef. Okay, Artesian basins, the rock structure of Australia presents some favorable conditions for the formations of the Artesian basins. On these basins, when the Artesian well are bored, water gushes out automatically. Okay, and the major artesian basins of Australia are the Great Artesian Basins, the Murray River Basins, the Equals Basins, the Desert Basins, and the Northwest Basins, and the Coastal Plain Basins. Water of the artesian wells have favored the rearing of sheep and cattle in the desert part of Australia. Next, the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, it is very important for a short note. The Great Barrier Reef of the northeastern coast of Australia in the Pacific Oceans is one of the wonders of nature. The reef is formed by the tiny coral polyps. Okay, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef in the world. It is about 2000 kilometers long. The geographical features of the other part of Oceania are like Tasmania. It is an island and it is located on the southeast of Australia. It is the mountains and surrounded by the coastal plain. Okay, and next number is New Zealand. New Zealand, it is the mountainous country. North Island contains the Taratuat range and Ruhani range and Kumara range. The major mountain of the southern island in the or the southern Alps is it has the Mount Cook, the highest mountain peak of the Oceania. Okay, and the famous Canterbury Plains lies along this coast of this island. And last one, the Papua New Guinea. In Papua New Guinea, highland are found on the north and the southeast corner, but the southwest portions is a plain land, and Mount Wilhelm is the highest peak of Oceania. Okay, you have to remember from there as a short note, Great Barrier Reef, New Zealand, and Papua New Guinea. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. If you have any problem or any queries, please let me know. Thank you.